Welcome to the University of Money, where the future rich come to learn how to build their wealth. Today, you will learn the number one thing that keeps you poor and the number one habit to put a stop to it. Everyone wants more money, but most do not know how to achieve their financial dreams. Most people want to be rich, but they just don't know how. What do you think is the number one thing that is keeping you poor? Pause this video and comment your answer down below. Welcome back. The number one thing that keeps you poor is spending all of your income. Most people are living paycheck to paycheck, but the most wealthy only live off a small percentage of their yearly income, using the rest towards investments that make them more money, which essentially their money starts to work for them instead of them working for their money. This paycheck to paycheck lifestyle keeps people poor and in poverty. You can make all the money in the world, but if you spend it as soon as you get it, you have not built any wealth. This is why most lottery winners end up broke just after 5 years of winning millions of dollars. They received more money, but they did not know how to use it to build their wealth. The number one way to break this habit is to budget your money. Budgeting is just tracking what money comes in, what money goes out, and what money is left over. The money that is left over, you should save or invest. Most people lose track of what they are spending their money on, so budgeting makes them more aware of where their money is going. Are you constantly finding that there is more month than money, and you are constantly waiting on your next paycheck to catch up on bills? Do you not have sufficient savings for an emergency? Then you may have to set up a budget. A budget will help you spend smarter and identify how you can keep your money in your bank account instead of spending it. A budget makes you accountable of what you are spending and helps you get out of the paycheck to paycheck lifestyle. If you are looking for an easy budget to follow, check out our monthly budget and expense tracker. You can use it to plan your monthly budget and to track your daily expenses. Thank you for learning with us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next wealth building lesson.